Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve teleport failed on Roblox app. To know how to fix or how to solve teleport failed on Roblox, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, you will search about this window of Roblox. When you find this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox here. You will click. When you will find it, then you can update your application if you will find it in this blue sign here to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.